What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Man, welcome to another episode of TeaTime with Key. I'm your man, Key. Man, we got another week. Aren't y'all excited? Aren't y'all excited? Oh, man. Oh, man, I'm excited to get to this week. I'm excited to build from last week. I got all the stuff that I needed to get done last week. Now I'm excited for this week to continue on in my progress in my journey to reach my goals, to reach my future. Like, I'm really just so excited and happy, and I hope you are, man. We gotta have that energy. We gotta start the week off with a whole lot of energy so it can maintain us throughout the week, because we're gonna face some unforeseen things, all right? That's gonna try to knock us down, but we can't let it happen because we know what we gotta do this week. Me, I write a list. I write a list down of what I gotta do, what my mission is. I don't even put it as like things to do. Like, it's a mission. These are missions. I gotta get it done. So, man, I'm just excited. I'm really just excited. I'm burning with fire inside of me. Like, yo, I'm ready. I'm ready to take this leap of faith, this next step, man. And you know, we just gonna get into it, man. We gonna get into the topic of this week. But first, we got the tea. I got some soursop tea this week. Yeah. That's refreshing. We need that. Hold on. Yeah, that's some good tea right there. I can't lie to you. That's good, man. But this week we're going to talk about just building. We're going to talk about building and conversations, your interactions with other people, where you can talk to other people and build. Like, so instead of really just, like, what do you talk about with your friends? What are you and the people that you surround yourself with, like, you surround yourself with every day? What are y'all talking about? Y'all talking about clothes? Y'all talking about shoes, cars? Y'all talking about, celebrities? Y'all talking about sports? Y'all talking about the game? Y'all talking about anything that really makes sense? What are y'all talking about? That's what I want to know. Because me, I gotta have conversations that build, that builds me up, that inspires me, it motivates me. I don't wanna have a conversation that's, about a celebrity, what a celebrity it is, or too much into about, oh, did you hear this new song, or I don't want to really, like, or about girls and things like that, or going out. Like, that doesn't entice me anymore. That used to excite me, but now it just doesn't excite me anymore. I'm not excited by it. Like, it just doesn't get me moving. We got to talk about things that build life. Let's talk about, career. Let's talk about entrepreneurship. Let's talk about businesses. Let's talk about ideas. Let's talk about going against the stereotype of today. Like, let's start challenging, these principalities that we have. We're these principles that we live with every day that, we just don't question. Let's talk about combos like that. Like, I like to have intriguing combos that's going to stimulate my mind, really. That's going to get me lost in the sauce in my head. Like, man, last week, man, the only reason I'm talking about this because last week I done went through it. I done went through it with two dudes that I was talking with. One was at the gym. He's an accountant. Well, was an accountant. He's a real estate broker. But I'm starting up my business, and he's the guy. He does taxes and all that. So I have to fill out some form, and I looked at it. I don't really know much about it, but I know my guy. He's a tax guy. I met him at the gym in Atlanta. So he's a tax guy. So I went to him, started talking to him, and man, first of all, I'm at the gym. I had a basketball game. I'm lined up for a basketball game. I got next, all right? My team on real quick. I seen him upstairs. I just wanted to really just go run upstairs real quick just to go get him, because I know it when he was leaving. I just wanted to interact with him real quick, let him know my problems, and see if I can get his number so we can talk again, Not right now, but again. Man, when I tell y'all, I met that man. His name is D. But I met that man and we talked, and bro, we was talking for like an hour and a half. Like an hour. I missed my game and all. I had my ball on the court and all. My boy that I was hooping with, I picked up a whole team. I was hooping with them. He came upstairs at the end when he about to leave and brought me my ball. I'm like, oh snap. It's like, bro, we was talking about so much conversation, so much just legacy building and entrepreneurship and business and big businesses and doing things a little different than what the average person is doing. And man, I didn't want to leave. Like I was so inspired and so just vested into that conversation. I didn't want to leave. Not once did we talk about sports. Not once did we talk about any girls. Not once did we talk about celebrities or clothing or music or anything else that just doesn't really matter. Not once did we talk about that. We was talk about us and our trials or our success or our dreams and where we're trying to go, where we're trying to take it, what type of principles we're learning, what things that we're learning right now. Man, the dude is like, he's older than me. I think he's in like his older upper 30s. He's in his upper 30s, maybe young 40s. But cool dude, man, and he was just chopping it up with me, giving me some insight, on his, experiences, his life, and in his journey and where he want to go. And he's like, let's say 40. So he's like 40, I'm 26, and we like on the on the same type of time. We really getting each other, man, and that's just special because it motivated me, it excited me. I'm in my head, I'm talking to him, but really I'm in my head thinking about just endless possibilities. I'm thinking about just things that he's talking about. I'm like, okay, I'm seeing it like as real action already done. Like, I don't know. And that's it was just so powerful. It was just so infectious. Like, I can't wait to talk to him again. I can't wait to go back to him, with my tax problems or anything I got, and just really just ask him things, because he's a business owner. He's a real estate broker. So like, I can ask questions and really get inspired by that. And that's just what it's about. It's about what are you asking? We're not asking the right questions. We have conversations with people and we're not asking the right questions. We're asking the wrong things. We're not learning anything. We're not taking anything in. We're just sitting here talking to people just to talk to them. For what? No, we got to talk to people with a strategic objective, with a goal. Like, what do we want to learn from this person? Everywhere you go, everybody you talk to, everybody you meet, you can learn something from them if you pay attention now. If you listening to really learn something, you can learn something. Man, even yesterday, another example. Yesterday, I called my boy Diego. He's one of my fraternity brothers. Shout out Teak. International fraternity, Tau Kappa Epsilon. Yeah. I'm with the international people. It's alright. I love y'all. Y'all might get some heat, but I love y'all. Go Teaks. But yeah, I'm talking to my boy, and I need a website done. So I need a website done, and he hit me up like, yeah, yo, I got you. Hit me up. So I finally hit him up. We're talking. He's telling me these things, and I'm telling him my plans, and he's not really against it, but he's showing me another light. He's showing me, another way to go about it, and really, at first I'm like, bruh, come on now. Just really, believe in what I said, but then, I had to get out my own way, so when I'm talking to him, listening to him, I had to get on my own self, and I'm like, nah, that's actually a really good idea. What you're saying is really smart. Hold on. Yes, I'm looking at the bigger picture because that's what I got to do. But there is some things that I can do now to get my business in motion. Like, bro, that was actually smart. And I really got inspired off of that. Like, literally, like, once he said that to me, literally in my head, I zoned out on the phone call. And I'm really I'm thinking now. Now I'm thinking about what he's saying. Now I'm seeing it in person. Now I'm envisioning it. I'm seeing it. I'm closing my eyes while I'm talking to him. I'm just like thinking like, oh, hold on. Yeah, I can use that. That's smart. Okay. All right. I can see it actually being worked in the physical world. He telling me, I'm just envisioning it. And I'm like, I bet. And that just put more fire in me. Now I got another step to move, towards my goal. Like, so it's just really great. It's really great to have people that are building with you. that are helping you build, they might not even know that they're helping you build. They might just be saying something just to comment, but they don't really know how much effect that their one comment really made on your life, or on your plans. And it's just so impactful when we start to really talk to people with a purpose. We got to talk with a purpose. We have to talk with the goal of seeing what type of problems other people are dealing with and how we can help them, or just see what are people really good at. Me, I'm starting to really be more of a observer, really. Not like a real in detailed observer, but like me, I start to realize I'm starting to really look at people and see, like, okay, where they good at, what are their interests. I'm starting to really look at people like that, and start not like basically like just putting them in a, I wouldn't say like I'm categorizing people, but like I know what people are good at. I'm starting to understand, this person, okay, this person is good at marketing, or they're good at social media. They have a good social media presence, or this person just dress goods every day. They dress nice every day. Oh, okay, so they're stylists. I'm starting to, okay, this person is good at basketball, or this person is good at cooking, or this person is good at hair. Like, I'm starting to group people up by, or starting to really get people by what are they good at, what are they doing. So that's just for me to understand, like, whenever I need help in something, who should I go to? We got all these people around here that are doing amazing things, that got these secret talents, and they're in my network, but how do I use them? I gotta start indexing them. You gotta start observing your network, and really start paying attention to what are they doing, where are they good at, what do they like to do, what do they enjoy to do. And then by doing that, once you know that, then you can start going to them whenever you come across something that's in their lane or in their focus, something that's they're really good at. You can go to them, and yeah, Tony is good at selling cars, and I'm trying to get my car sold. So let me go to Tony so he can sell my car. Like, that's what it's about. It's about these relationships that we build, and we take in a different perspective from other people. We got to take in different perspectives from other people. It always comes down back to perspective. That's the crazy part. But yeah, so you just have to take inventory of your network. Take inventory of the people you talk to. See what they're really talking about. Let's talk about something real. I want to talk about something real. Let me know the real. Like, we're not in this life to just sit here and be comfortable and just be complacent with where we're at. No. At least I'm not here for that. I'm not. I can't do that no more. I can't waste time no more. I can't. I just can't. I'm on a mission. I'm on something that's just bigger than me, bigger than where I am, bigger than everybody on this world. Like, it's just big, and I have to do it. I have to work it out. I got to. I have no choices. Ain't no more waiting. So every conversation that I have, it needs to be about building. It needs to be helping me or teaching me something. I got to get something out of it when I have these conversations, man, because literally, I be having conversations with people, and I really only expect it to go for 15 minutes. We're on the phone for an hour and a half. Just talking, just so excited, hearing my fire, I'm hearing their fire, and hearing, it's great. It's great when you got people to build off of. But use your people to build. Use your people to build. You really gotta build. Don't just talk about nothing. Talk about something. Create something. Talk about it with your people, with your network. We could do so much more if we're together. When we're alone, we can only do but so much. But when we're together, we can do a lot. All right, so take inventory of your conversations and make it work for you. So let's have a great week. I'm excited. We're going to make great things happen. We're going to have good content come out this weekend. And and we gonna get right this week. We just gonna get right. We just gonna get right. We're gonna do the best we can, and we're gonna do the most. We're gonna do the most. So y'all have a great week, and until next time, hey, y'all be safe, y'all be good. Let's really go get it. It's all possible. You can do all the things that you want to do. All right, just believe in Jesus Christ, though. All right, and that'll help you. So y'all take care. Y'all have a good week, and I'll see you next time on the next episode of Tea Time with Key. Cheers.